What is up, everybody? King Ralph here with King's Fam. As you can see, I just got back from Walmart. I got some groceries here. Rose is actually going to be making her ensalada. Is that how you call it? So it's chicken ensalada. I don't know if there's any other difference. But right now she's actually boiling the chicken. As you can see, there's chicken in there. She added some salt. She's about to boil it. It's about to get to a boil. So add the salt that you think is enough for you. She also does the same thing. We're Hispanic. We don't measure anything. We just put it in. I measure it, but I'm not Hispanic, full Hispanic. You have your orange open? Okay. I just put an orange or cutie for Elena. Elena, are they good? Are they good? There you go. Alright guys, she's still boiling it right now. She's getting ready to cut up the lettuce. She's still boiling the chicken, you guys. As you can see, still boiling until it's done and fully cooked. I forgot to tell you guys that what you guys are going to need is 2 cans of peas, of sweet peas, 2 cans of sweet peas, and 2 cans of kettle corn. We're also going to need 1 can of jalapenos and tostadas. This is what you're going to eat it with. And if you want Valentina to put on it, you can if you want. You're also going to need lettuce, which she's cutting up right now. As you can see. Yes, she's going to use all the lettuce then. And then you're also going to need sour cream. The medium size. All of this? She's going to use all of this. Mayo. I guess any mayo which you guys like, but we use the real mayo. This is the one I get. I forgot to say we have 5 giant breasts, chicken breasts that she's making. Now she's washing the lettuce. Now she's cutting up the jalapenos, guys.
Some people take off the seeds, but it's up to you. If you leave the seeds in there, the spicier will be in.
We leave the seeds in there. It's really good. Comes out really good like that. She also puts the carrots that come in the can. Oh yeah. It also has onion in the can, so that's fine if you put that in there.
They're pickled jalapenos. Vinegar.
So she has the jalapenos ready and the lettuce ready.
And don't throw away your jugo. Don't throw away the juice that is left off from the jalapenos because you'll use this for the salad.
Alrighty guys, so now she's shredding the chicken. Alrighty guys, so she's putting the stuff in now.
We're gonna put the chicken in first. 24 ounces of sour cream. I'm just gonna scoop it out with this wooden spoon. All of it. And then you take your mayonnaise and a lot of big spoonfuls, maybe like 2 or 3. And then you just mix all this right now. And then I grab my lettuce. I have water in there just so it could soak in a little bit. So I'm gonna rinse it out again and then put it back in there. So I'm gonna add little by little because it's gonna be hard to stir.
What makes it more is the lettuce. Like it makes it more and more, like as much as you add. So like there's chicken in there, just no, it doesn't look like there's a lot of chicken because there's a lot more lettuce and other vegetables in it to make it thicker. Over here I'm making chicken alfredo for Elena, noodles and chicken. It does smell really good. So something that she doesn't like that she'll be eating this because I know she loves chicken alfredo. So she has all the lettuce in there.
Okay, now you open your cans of sweet peas and corn, and make sure you get the no salt added because then it'll make your food really salty.
On both of them.
Yes, and make sure to throw away the juice. It's just gonna make your salad soggy if you don't. So then you mix it in like. And then you just mix everything together.
And my wife said the most important ingredient is the jalapenos.
So the jalapenos that we cut up earlier go in here.
And there you have it, guys. After that, you put it in the freezer so it can cool down, because this dinner or this food is meant to eat cold. So we're gonna get ready to eat and try some here in a bit.
Yummy.
She's liking it, guys. We're about to go try the ensalada. So you keep it in the fridge for a little bit, in the freezer, so it can cool down. Cause it's supposed to be cold when you eat it. Don't keep it in there too long. You don't want to freeze it.
Yeah.
You just want it cold. And since we're eating right now, that's why she puts it in the freezer. We have leftovers, you just put it in the fridge. The next day you eat it. It's real good.
Oh my God!
She wants to show me eating it. She doesn't believe that her food is good. Oh my God. Let's go, Pepe.
Those are 2 big bites.
Okay. That is good, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Tell us what you think down in the comments below. We're gonna end the video here. Man, this is so good. Alrighty, guys, this is so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, the video. Comment down below, let us know what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like or subscribe to our channel. And go check out my YouTube channel, King Ralph. That's all my gaming stuff. Also, go check me out on Twitch right there, or right here. One of these sites. Go check me out on Twitch. But yeah, I'm probably currently streaming right now on Twitch at King Ralph, so go check me out. Hope to see you guys next time. Take it easy, everybody. Peace. Bye.